back to 20 car. The 2026 BMW M4 Unofficial Concept ignites the senses with an aura of precision-crafted aggression. Its exterior boasts a redefined kidney grille, slimmer, sharper, and seamlessly integrated into a sculpted front fascia. Laser-adaptive headlights pierce through the darkness, while carbon fiber aero kits, muscular hood vents, and flared fenders create an athletic silhouette. At the rear, a quad-exit titanium exhaust sings beneath an illuminated M badge, capped off by a dynamic carbon fiber spoiler. Slide into the cockpit, where German engineering meets futuristic elegance. The dashboard features a sweeping curved OLED display blending driver info, navigation, and performance metrics in razor-sharp clarity. Premium Alcantara, exposed carbon weave, and M tricolor stitching dominate the dash, while the steering wheel integrates touch-sensitive controls with a race-inspired flat-bottom design. Rear passengers enjoy sporty comfort with contoured bucket seats wrapped in merino leather. Ambient lighting, individual climate controls, and advanced headrest speakers deliver an unexpectedly luxurious experience for a sports coupe. Beneath the hood lies a 3.5 L twin-turbo inline-six, paired with a mild hybrid boost, pumping out a thrilling 630 horsepower. An 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and adaptive MX drive catapulted from 0 to 100 km height in a lightning-quick 3.0 seconds, all while retaining BMW's signature rear-wheel drive flair.